If you're getting a GitHub 404 error in TinyTask, don't worry. This is one of the easiest fixes you'll ever do, and today I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get everything working again in just a few minutes. A lot of people run into this issue because their GitHub repository isn't fully configured for GitHub pages. When the settings aren't set correctly, TinyTask simply can't access your hosted files, resulting in that annoying 404 page. So let's fix it. First, open your browser and log into your GitHub account. Once you're in, head over to the repository you're using for TinyTask. I created a fresh one for this tutorial, but the steps are the same for any repo. Now look to the top and click on Settings. That's a little gear icon. On the left side menu, under Code and Automation, find and click Pages. This is the section that controls how your project gets published online. Here's the part that usually causes the 404. Under Source, make sure the option is set to Deploy from a branch. When you first create a repository, this is often set to None, which means nothing is being published, so TinyTask has nothing to load. Change None to Main. Once you select it, two more dropdowns will appear. In the second dropdown, the folder selection, change it to Root. Now click Save. GitHub will take a minute or two to process the update. But once the page refreshes and the settings are applied, your GitHub Pages site should be live. That means TinyTask can finally find your files instead of giving you that 404 error. And that's it. You just fixed the GitHub 404 error in TinyTask with a few quick settings. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have more issues you want solved, and subscribe for more quick fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.